How to turn on or off skip password when possible on Google app. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Google application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, as I've already logged into your account, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. As you tap on that, tap on the option of manage your Google account. This will take you to a new page where you can see the option of Google account. So here you can see different menus. So just swipe it to the left and tap on security. As you tap on security, just scroll down for a little while and here you can see the option of skip password when possible. So tap on it. As you tap on it, all you have to do is just verify yourself over here. So you can just make or use a passkey over here to verify yourself, and after verifying yourself you'll be able to see the option of skip password when possible, which is toggle on right now. So you can just toggle off this option if you do not want this option, and if you want it then you can just toggle on and you'll be able to turn on or off skip password when possible on Google app. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.